Guys, it's me Kia, and before I say anything else, I am currently sick. I do have a bad cold, so if I sound like shit, I'm sorry. But yeah, today in the studio I did 4 piercings on myself. I did tragus, flat, helix, and then like a lower helix, like upper lobe type deal, like a mid-ear piercing. Voiceover for this because I made the stupid shitty decision of leaving my fan running in the background because it was just so hot in my room, so the audio on the video, like whenever I talk, sounds like shit and I just can't have it, so I'm doing this voiceover. Okay, and last thing, before anyone gets on me, I know my room looks very interesting right now. I know my fan is broken, I know stuff is all over the place. Just vibe with me, guys. So the first piercing that I do in the video is my flat on my right ear. I know it looks like you guys' left, but it's my right, and I do that first. Okay, I said that. Okay, I'm not gonna ramble, I'm just gonna let you watch me do it, but if you wanted to know, I use 16 gauge needle for this.
Are you joyful?
Rosie.
So this is the first one done. I was really happy with it and thought it looked really cute. Today I was just on a roll. Like usually for my piercing videos, I do one piercing and it takes me like an hour to do them all, and I bitch about it, but literally for this I just did them like in a row and I wasn't even like tripping or anything. I was like on a high or something. Okay, so I did my helix on my left ear next, and my helix on my left ears are always falling out and closing up, so it's just really annoying because this is like genuinely like 4th, 5th time I've redone it, but like whatever. Here I am doing it now, and again for this I used a 16 gauge needle.
Are you joyful?
Rosie.
Okay, so the third piercing I did was my tragus piercing, and I was cleaning it up, marking it up, and now I'm piercing it. bit bloody, but not too bad at all, especially not in comparison to my other piercing video from the other day. That was insane. But now I'm just putting the jewelry on. Okay, so here I am adjusting it, and I was really happy with this. I'm still really happy with it. It's like the one I'm most proud of, like, out of this entire session. Okay, so the last piercing I did on this day was my little, like, lower helix one. I don't know if I should call it like lower helix or upper lobe, but it's like in that area, like on the edge, like in that like middle ear part, you know what I mean? And I just went ahead and pierced it. It was like soft, like a lobe basically, so it was like honestly easy to pierce and like not bad. Like the face I make at the end is like would make you think that it's bad, but it actually was not that bad.
Be joyful.
I'm gonna insert better pictures of them because I know in the video everything probably looks a little bit shitty. Anyways, thanks for watching. This is like the one time that I do like piercings and I'm not like crying and bitching about it. I did like 4 of them in like one sitting and I'm not even tripping, like, you know what I mean? Anyways, peace.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be